This is the best car you can buy in 2025 if you want to have real fun with a budget. Well, it's actually not these, but these. In 2025, you can find one of these beauties for less than 20,000 euros in the used market. And for that money, I feel like there's no other option if you want a unique and truly characterful car. Something that makes you smile every time you get behind the wheel. Let me tell you a bit more about this car. Okay, I promise it's the last time I do this joke. So yeah, straight to the point. Under the hood, you've got a 1.4-liter turbocharged engine with an IHA turbo in this version, which is the 595 Pista. It has a Garrett in the comps, putting out 160 horsepower and 230 Nm of torque in sport mode. It may not sound like much until you actually drive it. The exhaust? That's the legendary Record Monza system, and trust me, it screams. It burbles, pops and shouts like it's trying to pick a fight with the road. It also comes with perforated disc brakes, Koni FSD suspension and a weight of just over 1050 kilos, so this thing is a proper little rocket. Add in the aggressive body kit, sporty seats and that Scorpion badge, and you've got a car that feels like nothing else on the road. But here's the thing, this car doesn't make sense. It's tiny, firm, loud as hell, and it's not even that fast on paper. It drives like a go-kart and drinks fuel like it's got a V6 on it. So why would anyone choose it? Look, here's the thing. This car doesn't try to be the fastest, or the most comfortable, or even the most efficient. But every time I drive it, I feel like I'm actually driving something. It's alive. It wants to play. It's that old school feeling that modern cars don't have anymore. It's all about the sound, the size, the twitchy steering. It all comes together in this weird little symphony that just works. You park it and you turn back to look at it. You downshift just to hear the pop. You smile like an idiot every time it burbles in a tunnel. For under 20,000, nothing else gives me this. Not a Mini, not a GTI. It's not even close. And listen, I'm not saying those cars are not great, because they are. They really are. In fact, they are so good that sometimes I feel like it's like driving a perfect machine, and it can be a bit boring for me. But this is just personal opinion. So yeah, this isn't a car you justify. It's a car you feel. And once you feel it, nothing else really matters. Yeah, it's definitely not for everyone. It's loud, impractical, blah blah blah, whatever. You can fit much stuff there, back seats are awful, but it just looks great, drives well, and it gives you the feels. That's all I want. So, yeah guys, this is it for the video. If you like this type of content, consider subscribing, since I'm going to be uploading more content about this car and any other cars that I tried really. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching and see you on the next one.